Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. See, we are also happy. So, can you guess where are we? We are exploring water in Tekdi. Hey, Alyssa, where are you going? Come back. Oh, okay, you are calling Caitlin. Come. So, friends, we are going to Peria Tiger Reserve in Tekdi. In between, on the way, we saw this water flowing. Our driver said that in this area elephants come to drink water. So he told us to get down and enjoy the beauty and scenery, and if by chance if we can spot an elephant. So we enjoyed this place a lot, see the pure water, and we are jumping here and there on different stones. It was really a great experience here on the way. We are crossing the river and just see if we can jump high and high. Elsa and Caitlin both are from UK. They were very happy. So we could not spot any elephant. Now we are going ahead. Going ahead to explore the wildlife in Tekdi. This was the safari drive and it was open from the top. It was very nice, lovely weather. Air was very cool, nice. On the way, scenery was very beautiful and roads were empty. No one is watching us. We are just happy with ourselves, with each other's company. So, friends, we are going in deeper forest zones and it will be like off roading. So, be with us and enjoy every bit of it. You know, friends, Periyar region has 900 elephants around, more than 50 tigers, 62 plus species of mammals, 300 plus species of birds, and 40 plus types of reptiles. Forests are very green, semi-green rainforest. Many plants or orchid species you can observe here. You may see Indian bison, sambar deer, wild boar, Nilgiri langur, and if lucky, you can see tigers, leopards. But sightings of big cats are always rare. These are lemongrass on the way. We are already in off-roads. My driver is plucking the lemongrass, and you see he's offering us, because we were not knowing that this is lemongrass. He was knowing it and he has offered it to smell it, and you see this was really nice. Very nice smell was there, and the color of this grass was so attractive. See the off-roading, it was four-wheel drive safari. It was very difficult to ride on this, but these areas were very neat and clean and very calm, very peaceful. Very few people were there and sceneries were so awesome. It was like nature walk or trek in the forest. Periyar Tiger Reserve is located in Idukki district in Kerala. This is one of India's most beautiful and important wildlife sanctuaries. It offers both adventure and peace for nature lovers. So we all are nature lovers. We all were very happy being here. One of unique experience. Views were so breathtaking. This is Mount Plateau Reserve Forest, often seen as Mount Plateau in Periyar Tiger Reserve. You know why it is important? From an ecological perspective, the plateau is part of the core forest network of PTR, contributing to habitat, connectivity, elevation, variety. And these plateaus support the species that prefer higher terrain or plateau environments. It is different, while the more commonly visited parts of PTR are lake boat safari and accessible ranges. But this plateau zone adds variety and more rugged terrain. So we got down where we saw one touch me not plant, and I'm just showing Elisa that this is touch me not, and she was very happy exploring that. And now we three are sitting and enjoying the views. Views were really so awesome, so beautiful. We are sitting in the mountains. Everywhere greenery was there. So nice it was. So we already started feeling hungry. We got the Maggie there. There were many shops around and they prepared Maggie for us. After Maggie, I just going inside the deep forest and it was really nice exploring. The air was so cool, so fresh. I just saw a tree where this root side it was burnt, and you see the tree standing there, and all around the views, sceneries were very beautiful. Some pillars were there. I don't know what was the purpose, where how it got it here. These places were so green, so neat, and so fresh. It was like it was not much explored. There was no entry board, but still I had gone inside and I just wanted to see what are the things here, if anything which I am missing out. So I just wanted to explore. This is the boundary you can see and the top view. And this was West Division of PTR, and it was really good option for wildlife exploration, nature research, and deep forest walks. If you are interested in more remote trekking, this is the best place. They say on the top of the hills we can see many deers. Driver was saying he has spotted lion also, tigers also in these hills. As these forests were very dense, so we can believe also. There were many such hills, and from one hill to other hill we were going to explore, and there were different views, different heights of the hills, and all were very fascinating. Off-roading was really a nice experience. Even in some places we had done this river crossing also. That was also really nice. In this forest region only four-wheel drive only can work, so never dare to bring cars. We were seeing many four-wheel drive safaris only. It was very difficult to drive on these roads, but it was really nice experience. Now CUC, it is in between the greeneries. Some roads are there, and it was really very rough roads, and so many stones were there. It was very muddy, but experience is really good. Such experiences you will never have in city life, and such roads also you cannot get everywhere. So in this mountain peak we could not spot any deer, but further we had got actually few of the deer on the peak of this mountain. So friends, if you are planning to visit this dense forest, you need to and spot the birds or any wild animals, you need to bring binoculars, camera, and comfortable nature walking shoes also. Because you are in the forest and weather can be humid or rainy, so you need to pack accordingly. You need to bring umbrella also. This is really good for travelers based in Bangalore. Offers a change of pace from the city life. Now we are nearing a river. We will cross the river. Wow, nice. So it was really nice experience going in such a beautiful place. Pics to banta hai yaar. So we took some nice poses in this safari ride. Scenery is so beautiful and it was really nice trip. Thank you so much friends being with me. Peria Tiger Reserve is one of the best places I visited. I give a good recommendation for it. Thanks.